How to change your Gmail address on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail address on iPhone. First, go to your Gmail. Here, tap on your profile. Now go to Manage your Google account. Then select Personal Info. Here, you'll find your email address. Tap to open it. As you can see, it says this address is used to identify your Google account to you and others. You can't change this address. Now go back and select your name. Tap on pen icon to change it. Remove your surname and tap Save. Your name will be updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.